So I'm Bev Hannible. I am a driver and operations trainer for TFW. So slowly but surely, more and more women are coming into the operational role of the driver, which is always great to see anyway. And I think it's important for me, now as the first female trainer, maybe just puts a message out there that it's not all just male-dominated kind of environment anymore. More and more women are joining operationally and behind the scenes as well in more senior positions, and I think it puts a good, powerful message out there that it's no longer stipulated as a male man's job. So my message would be to any women or any females who want to join the railway or come into the role of a driver, absolutely do. We've got all the support here for you. Learning development is a brilliant team, and we will support you throughout your whole career, depending, no matter what it is you want to do. And it's a great place to work.
So I'm Catherine. I've just joined Transport for Wales as a driver. It's been nice. It's been a gradual sort of progression so far. It hasn't been too difficult. I think it's ramping up at the minute, but it's been welcoming. So for any women thinking about coming into the rail industry, I would say definitely go for it. I'm the only woman on my course at the minute, so it would be nice to maybe have other females going through the training with me at the same time. But it's definitely, I'm glad I made this jump to this career.